Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the meta title in Wix. This is an essential skill for improving your website's search engine visibility and making sure your pages appear correctly in search results. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. This will open up a drop-down selection showing you various options for managing your website's settings and configurations. From here, take a moment to preview the website settings that are displayed. You want to make absolutely sure that this is the correct website you intend to change meta titles on, especially if you manage multiple sites under your Wix account. Confirming this now will save you from making changes to the wrong site later. Once you've verified you're working with the right website, locate the Design Site button at the top part of your screen. You'll typically find this button next to a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next stage. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is your main workspace for designing and customizing your site. From here, start locating the Pages and Menu button on the left navigation panel of your Wix editor and click on it. This section controls all the individual pages that make up your website. The Pages and Menu window will expand, and you'll see a comprehensive list of all the pages you have in your Wix website. Look through this list and find the specific page you wish to change the meta title on. Once you've found it, hover your cursor over that page. You'll notice a three-dot icon or the More Actions button appear. Click on it and a Settings option will pop up. From the Settings option that appears, click on SEO Basics. This is where all the search engine optimization settings for that particular page are housed. From the SEO Basics menu, scroll down until you find the meta description section. This is the crucial area where you'll actually change your meta title. Simply enter the new meta title you wish to use in the field provided. Make sure your meta title is clear, descriptive, and accurately represents what that page is about. This text is what will appear in search engine results, so take your time to craft something compelling. And that's it. You've successfully changed your meta title in Wix, which will help improve how your page appears in search results and potentially increase your click-through rates. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.